Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. So let me tell you something. First of all, this fro was given. Is she not giving it to you? So let me tell you something. This wash day that I just had was, first of all, a complete surprise. But it was one of the most fabulous wash days I've had in a long time. It takes a lot to impress me as an influencer, but this girl knocked it out the park. Now let me give you the backstory. Y'all know I love to help out a black woman in business, especially in the beauty space. Sometimes all people need is a chance, and I'm not saying I'm the biggest platform or I'm the biggest influencer, but if I can help somebody, I'm going to have our own back. So anyway, I got this email from a beautiful woman named Kayla Price, and I get inquiries a lot of people wanting to collab with me, but there was something about her that I was like, I really want to do this video for her. It was the professionalism, it was the kindness, it was the respect, it was so much. She was really, really kind to me. And so I said, you know what, I'm gonna do this video for Kayla. So with that being said, y'all, I want to introduce y'all to Kapri hair care that is founded by Kayla Price. It is a up-and-coming clean beauty brand made with us in mind. And usually y'all know when I do a product review, it's a first impression on camera just so we can kiki together. She actually asked, she was like, I don't want you to do that. I want you to actually try it and see if this works for you, if I need to make any changes, if that, like seriously, she cared about her brand and she wanted a critique. And that's why I was like, I am going to put you on if I can. And again, I ain't the biggest, but what I do got, I'm gonna give it to her. So I'm gonna be showing y'all 3 products today. She sent me her moisture transfusion, which is a deep conditioner, and then 2 products from her The Cure line. This is the strengthening and repair long-lasting moisture leave-in conditioner, and The Cure long-lasting definition eliminating frizz and flakes flaxseed gel. I'll be honest with you, y'all, I ain't gonna say I put her through the ringer, but I was asking questions like, how long will this last? What's the expiration date? Because if my OGs know, we got to check expiration dates. I was asking her everything, and she was so professional with it. Let me actually demo the products, and then I'm gonna come back and get to talking with you. Let's get into the application. So I did not use a cleanser from her, so I'm going to just start with hair that I shampooed off camera. Let's get into the Kapri Hair Care Moisture Transfusion Deep Conditioner. It's made for moisture and tons of slip. I will say it definitely lived up to that description. I applied it to soaking wet hair, and I was like, wait a minute, on first application, I'm like, honey, are you sure there's no silicones in here? But there absolutely is not. So it's made with water, honey, grapeseed oil, BTMS, bamboo extract, panthenol, so many other really, really nice ingredients, but it is meant to be a clean beauty brand. So I did apply it all over, and I noticed when I was applying it, it was starting to foam up. My history with deep conditioners that foam up is they usually perform amazing on my hair, and so that was kind of giving me some hope. So again, I went through and applied it all over. I let it sit for 20 minutes per the directions. I did not put on a cap. I did not use any heat. I just let it sit. I noticed the texture was really, really loose, so I felt like that would be great for penetrating my strands versus actually sitting on top. And in my experience, it lived up to the moisture and the slip claim. The slip on this was bananas, but I'll get more into that once we get to the end of the video. The next thing we're going to use is the Cure, which is a strengthening and repair long-lasting moisture leave-in conditioner. I went really light with the application simply because I knew I was using a flaxseed gel to style. This is made with fenugreek seeds. It has sweet almond oil, BTMS, cocoa butter, honey, so many other really nice ingredients. Again, it's a clean beauty brand, so you don't have to worry about silicones, any other things like crazy chemicals and stuff like that. So like I said, I'll put a light application on because I did not want to make the gel any softer as far as when I applied it. When I put this on, and y'all know I usually put a cap on top, I did not even have to do that. The moisture and slip on this leave-in was good. Now let's get into the last product, which is the Cure Flaxseed Gel, meant for long-lasting definition, eliminating frizz and flakes. It's of course made with flaxseed, but it does have marshmallow root, peppermint leaf, olive oil, some honey. Again, a very clean beauty product. And so I went in with a light application on soaking wet hair. I find with flaxseed gel, it's better to start light, then add more later if you need it. So I just did a light application and did the raking method, and in some sections smoothing. I noticed upon application that the slip was bananas, which is to be expected with flaxseed. But the hold on it was nice too. I set under the dryer. Honey, I'll give you more information, but that's what it's looking like upon application. So I'm gonna go section by section. I saved y'all some time by not doing the entire application on camera, but okay, spoiler alert, it was fire. Okay, y'all saw the end result already. So this is me just going ahead and finish the application. That is what it looks like once it is set. And I set under a hooded dryer until it was dry. This is what it looks like dry. And then of course, here is what I am looking like when it is done. Let me tell y'all something. I was so excited because, not to get personal, but when you are starting from the ground up pursuing a dream, sometimes all you need is a chance. And she was really kind of like concerned about me liking the products, and she was asking, was there any issues and stuff like that. And I could tell the care and the love that she put into these products. This woman, she did her thing. The moisture on everything was great. The slip on this moisture transfusion, I don't know how she did what she did, but she did that. This slip was crazy. I was actually able to detangle my hair underwater. She did amazing with that. The leave-in, I'm noticing as I'm in my natural hair journey, I don't use leave-ins as much, but when I do use one, I would not mind using this. This moisture, nice. The slip on it, very nice. This was a beautiful leave-in, and this gel, so like I told y'all, I set under the dryer to let it dry, and to my surprise, it left a cast on my hair. I was like, wait a minute, a flaxseed gel leaving a cast? And so that actually does have holes. So had I just stopped right there, that would have been just fine. But I like volume, so what I found was the cast was easy to break, so the hold was more so medium. It wasn't really like a strong hold in product, like hard as nails, but it did have a medium hold. I feel like my hair looks good. It's soft, it's moisturized. My hair actually feels healthy. Kayla, I am so proud of you, beautiful woman. These products are amazing. I'm so happy that I was able to share you with my platform. I really, on a personal level, I hope this video is a blessing to you. I could tell you tried your best with these products, and your best was beautiful. These products are amazing. So to everybody who's watching this, I'm telling you, this product line has my stamp of approval. As far as the details, I'll put the link in the description box, but as far as like cost of things like that, for a moisture transfusion, this is an 8-ounce product, it is $15.99. As far as the gel goes, this is $17.50, and the cure is also $17.50. And considering this is a handcrafted line with natural ingredients, clean beauty brand, I feel like that's exceptionally fair. So congratulations, Kayla, for doing an amazing job. Thank y'all for watching. I really hope y'all are able to support this brand. I am going to do everything I can to support her in the future. She did amazing. I love the way my hair turned out. I just first of all, the hair getting big actually, but we will talk about that later. But I'm loving my fro. I feel like this look good. I really enjoyed this wash day, y'all. I'm really excited about her brand. I can see it going far. Yeah, I can keep rambling, so let me stop. So with that being said, shout out to Kapri Hair Care for partnering with me on this video. Shout out to you, Kayla. Shout out to y'all for watching. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all. Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece. Bye. Like, this really look good. Let me turn around. Hold on, because we got to make sure it's looking good all the way around. Okay. Oh, and flaking. Because I used soaking wet hair and I went light with the application, I did not experience flaking. So make sure you do the same. Don't go too hard. Start small and build up. I noticed when I broke the cast, it was like little bitty flutters or whatever, but that's normal. But it wasn't like aspen. You understand what I'm saying? So with that being said, that's enough of me. I can keep going. Shout out to Kayla. Shout out to Kapri Hair Care. And shout out to y'all. I love y'all.